Lesson number 2.4 excuses on page number 40. Is kit warming up. Today we learn only warming up of this lesson. Chit chat from groups and chit chat about the following. Do you come to school on time every day? Yes, I do. Rarely I come late. What do you feel when you are late? When I come late, I feel very sorry and guilty. What action is taken in school on latecomers? Student in school who is come latecomers stand out of the classroom, stand out on the playground like this. Do you give excuses for your late coming? Are they true or fake? I don't give false excuses. Why is punctuality so important in life? If we are not punctual, we might miss some opportunities in our life. So this is the question. Now enjoy the jokes. Teacher: Asif, why are you crowding into the class? Asif: I am sorry, teacher. But yesterday you ordered me not to walk into the class late. So, teacher: Sharwari, you are regularly late to school. Don't you feel ashamed? Why do you come to school so late? Sharwari: I am sorry, madam. But on my way to school there is a road sign that says go slow. And ma'am, you have instructed us to always follow what road signs say. So can you understand the words in the joke that were used excuses for late coming? Now discuss within groups and share some simple jokes about teachers and students. Try to write one or two such jokes in your own words in the above format. Teacher: did you break this window glass in the class today, Tom? Tom said, not me, ma'am. It was my twin brother, Jerry, from our class. Teacher: where is he? Call him quick. Tom: he is absent today, madam. Then next point is reported speech. Speech dialogues can be reported in two ways, direct and indirect. When exact words of the speaker are reported, we call it direct speech. When exact words of the speaker are not reported, but just it contains, we call it indirect speech. This is the topic of grammar, direct, indirect. There is an example. Direct speech. Amar said, I shall come to meet you tomorrow, Sanket. In this sentence, Amar said to Sanket, and he speak this sentence, so this is in direct speech. Now we change this sentence into indirect speech. Who said to whom? Amar said to Sanket. That's why Amar told Sanket. Conjunction that. I means Amar. We say he shall would go to meet him means Sanket the next day. The change tomorrow in the next day. Note down the changes you observe in the indirect speech. what is indirect speech and what is in indirect speech, what changes you observe in the indirect speech, write down. So this is the warming of this lesson. Today we complete it.